What's up, Fitted Squad? This is Brad, aka Too Fitted, coming to you with another quick video. And today, going to head on over to Osceola Speed Tires to get my alignment. It's been way too long. Ever since basically the bags were put on, I've needed an alignment. I don't really drive the car. I haven't really had to drive it too much, especially since I'm working from home. Usually, I'm just going maybe to the grocery store, gas station, and the occasional meet here and there. And they're all really close, so haven't really done too much. The last time we had the car or the wheels off the car, the tires still look pretty good, so I'm not putting too much wear on them like a few years ago. So we're definitely good there. What I'm going to go ahead and do though, I want to make sure that the alignment is done with a couple different height adjustments if they can do that with the air suspension. But I'll definitely talk to them when we get there. Also, I did not get that last bag situation fixed, so I still have the one coilover, but I figure I'm gonna do the alignment now because one is it's not too expensive to do it at where I'm going, and two, I'm tired of driving with my steering wheel kind of turned a little to go straight. Like, it's definitely time to get back to driving normal, so definitely go ahead and do that. I definitely still want to go out of town. So if we get this alignment, I might be able to do that. I don't know if I'm gonna switch the wheels for that or not. That's still up in the air. But yeah, enough of that. Let's go ahead and head to the car. It looks like we so packed here, but it's really just a section because we got spots available. And then in the front, there was a lot. But I guess these are people who are not going anywhere today, or at least not yet. Look at this. And I think that happened at the last meet I was at. I didn't even realize it, but I did hear a big scrape. But that lip is pretty much done. Like, this was bad enough, but yeah. Problem is, the actual lip that I have is no longer, or at least I haven't seen it in stock in a while. So I don't know if I'm going to be able to get another one. Also, I didn't really want to spend as much for the stealing one because I'm still not sure if I'm keeping the car when the new Z comes out. So I don't know if I might just keep it like this for a little bit. We'll see. But let's go ahead and head on over. Alright, so this is pretty much my ride height. Sometimes I go lower. Most times I go a little bit lower, but that's pretty much the safe ride height. And gonna have them do the alignment with this. So let me go ahead and get checked in. You know, I always gotta get this when I get here. So clean. The wheels is perfect. And it's blacked out. So I'm gonna have to tell them a few things about the car when they're ready for it, but let's see what we got up here. Nothing modified. I saw one pull away as I was pulling up, but usually I see some pretty dope cars here. But yeah, we'll wait till they get the car and pull it around to the machine. I definitely need to clean the car, especially the wheels. They look pretty rough. Look over there. Look over here. That's Florida weather for you. Just felt a couple drops. Alright, so might run into a little issue with it being just the one coilover in the back. He said he's going to try to talk to one of the other guys just to see what they can do, because they want to stick behind that worker, and if they can't do it how they should do it, then they might not want to do it. So waiting for him to hear, see what they got, and we'll go from there. Alright, so it looks like they're gonna go ahead and try it. They're gonna focus on the front because that's really bad. They might do something for the rear if they can or if they need to, but they do know that the front needs to be adjusted, so they're really gonna go and try that one. He was a little happy when he heard that I was on air, so usually have issues. But I also told him if anything happens to that lip, don't worry about it, because it's already basically done. So we can go from here. Alright, so he got the wood out because he wanted to stay at the rod height. Saying worst case, he'll air up and then air down a little bit, but it should be good. Don't usually have issues here with them getting it on. Even when it was static, didn't have any issues, so they should be good. Yep, that is a lot higher than when I was on coilovers, so they're good. I'm gonna go and talk to them in the front to kind of talk about getting some tires, because I need to get some for my wife's car. Alright, so he mentioned the back wasn't off, which I kind of thought was the case. It was just the front was really off. So we'll see how it drives, and I'll check in with y'all when I get home. I don't think I have any other stops to make, so check in a little bit. Alright, so turns out I did need to make a stop at the gas station. Alright, so the alignment feels amazing. I think that part of the reason I was kind of getting tired of the car is how bad the alignment was, because it felt gross. It was terrible driving it. I don't know, kind of looks good there. On this side, it's alright. I still like the rear more, but it feels great. So they definitely did a good job. But yeah, they did say that the rears didn't need to be touched. The front was what needed to be adjusted because it was so bad. But yeah, that's pretty much gonna do it for this video. Got the alignment done finally. I'd like to thank you all for tuning in. Please like, comment, subscribe, and as always, stay fitted. Peace. So while I'm thinking about it, I don't think I did the comment of the day. So if that's the case, the comment of the day is, and if you want to be selected as comment of the day, make sure you leave comments on the videos, and I'll randomly select one, and who knows, it might be you next. But yeah, thanks.